Okay, here's another one. You gotta see how big this one is. So I'm pretty sure this is a hybrid, but look. Oh, as I kill the whole plant, come on. Well, we're almost done with the season, right? Oh, look at that. That's a big old giant one.
Wait, put that to your head.
Not big like last year. You'll always compare every garden year to the next. Last year my tomatoes were amazing. And then some years you're like, we got a big truck coming by. So I've been growing tomatoes a long time, and you always compare to your best years or years that aren't very good. To me, I just started a job too, so I don't have a lot of time, but this year hasn't been my favorite. Last year was my favorite. You saw the videos. I had like 200 plants everywhere. But this is not bad. Look at the size of that. Let's go get some more tomatoes. Look at the color on this tomato. Can you see that in the sun? Not pretty. Striped and orange, red, green stripes. Can't find the tag. My pockets are filled with tomatoes on both sides. Pockets of tomatoes. So not a huge harvest, just a couple plants over here, but not too bad. So don't give up on yourself. If you've had a wonderful year or kind of a trying year, keep gardening, keep trying. Bye!